Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wondered how people share those perfect, bite-sized video moments online? It's often just a short clip made right from their home. Creating these engaging snippets is actually quite straightforward, and it's a fantastic way to capture attention. Whether it's a funny pet moment, a quick tutorial, or a highlight from a longer video, short clips are incredibly shareable. They're a powerful tool for connecting with your audience, making your content more accessible and enjoyable for everyone. You don't need fancy equipment to make great clips. First, of course, you'll need your source video footage, whether it's something you recorded yourself or an existing video you have permission to use. Then, you'll want a simple video editing tool. Many smartphones come with basic editors built right in, which are perfect for quick trims. If you're on a computer, there are excellent free options available too, making it easy to get started without any cost. Once you have your source video and your editor ready, the real fun begins. Start by watching your video and pinpointing that one golden moment, perhaps a key takeaway or a hilarious reaction. Think about a segment that's anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds long, the sweet spot for short clips. Then, simply import your video into your editing app and use the intuitive trim or cut tools to select and save only that perfect segment. It's truly that simple to get started. To make your clip truly stand out, consider adding a few simple touches. A brief text overlay can be incredibly effective, maybe a quick caption or a question to spark engagement. If appropriate, think about adding a subtle background music track. Just be sure to keep it very low so your main audio is perfectly clear. Always double-check that your clip's sound is crisp and easy to hear, as good audio makes a huge difference in the viewer's experience. Congratulations, your clip is ready to go. The final step is to export it, usually as an MP4 file which is widely compatible across all platforms. Then it's time to share your masterpiece. Upload it to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or even just send it to a friend. Don't be afraid to experiment with different moments and styles. The more you practice, the better you'll become at spotting and creating those perfect, engaging video clips right from the comfort of your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.